testing out the new vlogging camera with the Movo Pro mic, and we're gonna check up on the guys. We're now continuing the digging on the exterior perimeter. See how things we got here. You're live.
Masterpiece Renovation.
Welcome
TV.
to the supervisor.
Wow, I love this setup.
Jeez.
Look at this. It's got a light, it's got a professional audio mic, it's got the smooth Q stabilization.
Yeah.
It is lit. And I can see myself inside the reflective glass backing. That's amazing.
Yeah, so I can, it's like a viewfinder.
You can set yourself up.
Exactly.
There. Yeah, that's really cool.
It's a viewfinder.
God bless us on.
Wow.
I think what I'll do is I'll get one of these. This thing's like revolutionary. All you need is a propane tank and it attaches onto